Hello everybody. Today we'll be studying Ohm's law. So what does Ohm's law really state? Ohm's law states that the voltage across two given points of a wire is directly proportional to the current passing through it. When we remove the proportionality sign, we get R, which stands for resistance, as the constant. Resistance of a wire is the difficulty with which it allows current to pass through it. To understand this relation, I want you guys to imagine a hill. Alright, there is a man standing on top of the hill. Now, this man represents the positive potential of a battery, and at the bottom of the hill, there is a point which represents the negative terminal of a battery. Now, the water in this case stands for the current. Now, the man is throwing the water down the hill, and the water is facing resistance in its path by rocks and trees. This is exactly the same thing as resistance in a wire. The resistance in a wire stops current from flowing from the positive to the negative terminal of a battery. Alright guys, we look at the circuit given below. We're supposed to find the voltage between the positive and the negative terminal of the battery. We're given the current is 2 amps and the resistance is 5 ohms. So we apply Ohm's law, which states that V equals to I into R. I is 2 amps and resistance is 5 ohms. So that gives us 5 into 2, which is 10 volts. Alright, so now I would like to go through the most common mistakes people make while solving sums relating to Ohm's law. First one is to remember that the voltage has the SI unit of volts, current has an SI unit of amperes, and resistance has an SI unit of ohms. The second one is that people get caught up while rearranging the formula. So it is V equals to IR. From that we get that I equals to V divided by R and resistance equals to V divided by I. I would like to conclude by saying that Ohm's law is one of the most important relationships in current, voltage and resistance in electricity. Thank you for listening.